Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this and an amazing, incredible recipe today. Now I'm gonna make like a green juice smoothie recipe today, and I'm gonna walk you through it and show you exactly how I do this one. All right. Now, first of all, I did prep some of my ingredients earlier. Now I have some celery. But look at this. These are some of my leftover broccoli, branch and everything, and I didn't throw it away. I couldn't able more than throw it away because, but I said to myself, I did this before and I know it's a very nice, lovely smoothie drink to drink at home. All right. So right there, that's some of the spinach, some of the broccoli, which I have. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put some celery inside of it. All right. So that's the celery. I love celery. And then I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger inside of it. That's the ginger. Also, I got a piece of a green cucumber. Inside of it. I'm gonna use just roughly about half of the cucumber. I got some lime. I'm gonna use roughly about half of a lime inside of it, and as you guys can see, now I'm gonna use some green apple. But this time, I didn't remove the skin from the apple. You might wonder why. Because everything is green. All right. And that looking good, guys. Yeah? That looking amazing. Fantastic. And I do love it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some water inside of it. I may add a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it. That's a pinch of apple cider vinegar. I'm not using too much. And also, just a tiny bit of the organic honey. Because remember, the apple is also sweet. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the blend. Wow, that looks amazing. All right, and that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right there. Now, if you like the recipe, the only thing I would say to you, you know, one thing you can do is to leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So we're gonna run the blender and see how this come out lovely and nice. Okay, guys, now that was blend for a few minutes well. Now, the beautiful thing about this drink, you do not want to strain it. This is what you want to do. You want to drink it just like this. All right, and that's why I run the blender a little bit extra longer, because the longer you run the blender is getting it very smoothie, and trust me, that is amazing. All right, the flavor and the texture is so lovely, guys. So basically, that's where Chef Ricardo been talking about right over there. Now, if you like the recipe, the only thing I would say to you is leave your comments in the description box, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you. And don't get me wrong, guys, these recipes are very healthy and also delicious. And you also can drink them any time of the day, in the morning, in the evening, for lunch, for smoothie, for breakfast. Whatever times makes you happy, you can make it at home. Now, as I close the show, remember to follow me on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, Chef Ricardo Cooking all the way. All right? And just leave your comments in the description box. Very, very healthy and delicious smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned in. Bye-bye.